how to change phone number on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on an Android device. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to your settings and then head over to connections. Now you will find SIM manager, and here, if you have a physical SIM card, you can just toggle it off. So, just turn it off, and then once you've turned it off, you can go to add eSIM. You can see the plus sign. Now here you can either choose transfer SIM from another phone or scan the QR code of your eSIM, or you can even contact with your carrier. And that's it. This is how you change your phone number on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.